Most individuals would love to have healthier looking skin and to easily remove blemishes and blackheads. Many over-the-counter skin products can be harsh on our skin and leave it irritated and dry. Fortunately, there is a face scrub that you can easily make at home using coconut oil and baking soda that has now become very popular due to its great results. Coconut oil is used as a moisturizer, exfoliator, and for blackhead treatment. Studies have shown that the lauric acid found in coconut oil can be very helpful in eliminating blackheads and treating the skin. As well, coconut oil contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which not only can keep the skin healthy and clean while removing blackheads, but can reduce unwanted skin conditions. Baking soda is also helpful when it comes to treating our skin and naturally removing blackheads. It works as a natural skin exfoliator and can help unclog pores and cleanse our face. As well, baking soda has been shown to tone the skin as well as reduce bacteria. You can easily make your own coconut oil and baking soda face scrub at home. All you will need is half a cup of coconut oil and 1/4 cup of baking soda. You can heat the coconut oil up slightly so that it is soft and easy to apply. Just make sure it is cool enough to apply to your face. Mix both ingredients together thoroughly so that they blend together. Rinse your face with warm water and use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture to rub gently on your face, focusing particularly on areas where blackheads are found. Rub the mixture gently over the face for a couple of minutes, then rinse well with warm water and pat dry. You do not need to repeat this every day, as a couple of times a week is enough to help clear the skin. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.